In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill out, and how to send a professional invoice straight from QuickBooks without missing any important details. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the Get Things Done page. This is your action hub, where you can quickly start common tasks. If you're asked to sign in, just log in as you normally would and you'll land on this dashboard. Next, look for the Create icon, sometimes labeled as New, and choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice that you can customize for your customer. Think of this as the foundation of your billing. Getting it right here makes sending and tracking much smoother. Now, fill in the invoice details. Select the customer and make sure their email address is correct so the invoice can be delivered. Add the invoice date, terms, and due date. Enter your products or services, quantities, rates, and any sales tax that applies. If you need to include a purchase order number, project, or class, add those as well. Use the message area to include a friendly note, such as a thank you or brief payment instructions. If you want to include a file, like a timesheet or receipt, attach it so your customer has everything they need in one place. When the invoice looks good, click Save and Send. This brings up the email window so you can preview exactly what your customer will receive. In the email window, double-check the recipient's address, the subject line, and the message. Keep the subject clear and professional, and make sure the body text reflects the key details, like the invoice number and due date. If there's an option to attach a PDF, decide whether you want your customer to receive a downloadable copy in addition to the online view. If you've enabled online payments, verify that the payment options you want are turned on so your customer can pay directly from the email. You can also add a CC or BCC to keep your team in the loop. When everything looks right, click Send and Close. QuickBooks will send the invoice and return you to your workflow. That's it, your invoice is on its way. QuickBooks will mark the invoice as sent, and you can track its status later to see if it's been viewed or paid. If you notice anything you want to adjust in the future, you can update your default email message and branding in your account settings so every invoice goes out consistently. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!